pepper, salt, and lemon are not just simple spices for your salad. They can also be used as a medicine and are even more effective than other medications. Many people around the world use these ingredients to treat different conditions. They are a cheap alternative to various medications and even work better in some cases. Here's what you can treat with salt, pepper and lemon. Sore throat. Combine a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of pure sea salt in a glass of warm water, then drink the solution to relieve your sore throat and cough. Stuffed nose. Mix equal amounts of black pepper, cinnamon, cumin and cardamom and grind them until you get a powder. Then smell it slowly. It will make you sneeze and naturally relieve the problem. Remove gallstones. Gallstones are formed in your gallbladder due to hardened deposits of digestive fluids. They can be painful and can also block the digestive system. The only effective treatment is a surgical procedure, but some people treat gallstones with natural remedies such as this one. Mix 3 parts of olive oil with 1 part and black pepper, then consume the mixture to dissolve your gallstones. Canker sores. Mix a tablespoon of Himalayan pink sea salt in a glass of warm water. Then swish it in your mouth after meals to effectively heal canker sores. Weight loss. Drink a solution made of 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a tablespoon of organic honey in a glass of warm water to accelerate your metabolism and burn fat. Nausea. An upset stomach can be soothed by black pepper, while nausea can be stopped by the tangy lemon scent. Make a mixture of 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of black pepper in a glass of warm water. Then drink it until you feel improvement. Asthma attack. This mixture will come in handy if anyone in your family is suffering from asthma. Mix 10 grains of pepper, 2 clove buds and 15 basil leaves in a cup of boiling water, then simmer the mixture for 15 minutes before straining it and pouring it into a glass jar. Add 2 tablespoons of organic honey in the end and let it cool down. Keep the mixture in the fridge for up to 2 weeks and take it with milk for better taste. Toothache. Prepare a mixture of half a teaspoon of ground pepper and clove oil to reduce your toothache. To prevent toothache, you need to take better care for your oral health. Floss and brush your teeth twice a day and avoid eating too much sugar and acidic foods. Cold and flu. Mix freshly squeezed juice from half a lemon in a large cup of warm water, then let the pulp and peel steep inside for 10 minutes before removing them and adding a teaspoon of honey. This amazing mixture is one of the best ways for relieving colds and flu. Nosebleeds. Apply a small amount of lemon juice on a cotton ball and put it in your nose to stop nosebleeds. Remember to tilt your head forward in order to prevent the blood from getting into your throat. If you like our videos, must subscribe our channel for more information and videos about natural homemade cures.